Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be talking about syringe drive. But before I do that, I would like to inform you guys I'll be doing a series of videos as regards ambulance equipment and drugs and how to use them easy. So try as much as possible to subscribe to my channel, like my videos so that the YouTube algorithm will keep bringing all this content to you. So today we'll be talking about syringe drive. It's actually an equipment that you use to deliver specific drug dose in volume to a patient. Actually, you can set it in different mode. You can set it in time mode. You can set it in rate mode, depending on what you are trying to achieve. Okay. So for you to use a syringe drive, you actually need three equipment. Basically, three equipment. You need your syringe. You need a line extension to connect the syringe to the patient, and you also need your syringe drive. Okay, so the syringe drive have different components which I will explain to you shortly. So for you to install your syringe in your syringe drive is very simple. You must have collected the dose of drug that you want in your syringe. So usually you collect that using mils. So you want to collect the dose using a particular set mils that you want to do. So once you have done that, you want to connect your extension line, and actually you can manually remove the hair from the extension line by pressing on the plunger to remove the hair, or you can just connect it to your syringe drive and then purge the line, and you have it in place. For you to easily install your syringe drive, so the first thing you want to do is to remove all these components, to open all these components up so that you can have good space for your syringe to come in. So I want to take this one back, and then I want to draw this one and turn it downwards, so I have good space here. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to install this syringe in the drive. So the syringe has the barrel, which is calibrated, and it has the plunger. So what you want to do is that this flange, you want to fix it to the groove of the equipment. So what you do is that you just install it closely like this, then you hold on this particular part, turn it till you have a good hold of your syringe. So the next thing you want to do is that you want to press down on this particular part of the machine and connect it to the plunger. So once you connect it to the plunger, you see that there's two things that will clip on the plunger to ensure that it's having good pressure and pushing down on your drug. So the next thing you want to do is to close up the housing and set and turn on your equipment. So once you turn it on, you can easily go to the settings when you press home. So let's say I want to set an infusion. I want to give let's say 20 mils of an infusion over an hour. So I will just come here, click on infusion setting, then go to infusion mode and click time mode, because I want to give it over an hour. It's that simple. So it will ask me to fill all of these components. So VTBI means volume to be infused. So I'll just click on it. I want to infuse 20 mils of whatever drugs I want to give. So I'll click on confirm. Then I want to set the time rate, the time which I want to deliver this drug. So I want to give it over 30 minutes. So I will just put it 0030. So over 30 minutes. This part of the time is hours. This part of the time is minutes. So I will just press confirm. So once I confirm, it automatically gives me a rate, which is 40 mils per hour. Okay. So once I confirm it, it takes me to this interface. This interface will actually tell me to start or to purge. So if I want to purge, I might purge the hair from the extension line. I will just purge a little bit of I'll pump a little bit of the fluid or the drugs inside the extension line. So once I've done that, let's say I want to purge, it's just It will ask me if I'm sure that I want to purge. I'll say yes. So once it keeps forcing fluid, once the fluid has gotten to where I want it to get to, I'll stop. So then I can now start my infusion. So once I start my infusion, that initial settings that I did can now start working. So it's this simple. So it's going to deliver 20 mils of whatever drugs that is inside here over 30 minutes. So when you have a situation where you want to keep moving and you want to keep delivering a drug to your patient, you can use it, and it will deliver very fine amount of a particular dose of drug to your patient. It's very easy to use and it's very safe. So if there's any issue wrong with your settings or with the equipment, there's always an alarm system here at the screen. So the alarm system usually will display at this top side. So it will beep you and it will show you the issue. Some of the alarms includes occlusion, it includes power outage, and it includes near finish. So it will beep you, and you can now quickly reset the equipment to get your desired effect. So if you have any question about the syringe drive, you can simply drop your question in the comment section. So the rate mode is very simple. The rate mode, what you need to do is that if you want to give a drug for a particular, you don't want to put time into consideration, but you just want to keep giving a drug, then you can switch to the rate mode. But if you want to put time into consideration and you want to stop a drug, or you want to deliver a drug over a particular time limit, then you can put it on time mode. So if you have any question or any contribution, you can leave it on the comment section. I will be sure to respond to them. Thank you very much.